Logbook. Select your method and confirm. If you choose the kilometres method, slide the slider to select the amount of kilometres you travel each year to the maximum allowed. If you choose the logbook method, you can either slide the slider to select your percentage of claim for all vehicle expenses, or you can complete the logbook. If you complete the logbook for longer than the required 12-week period, we will select the best 12 weeks from the period added. The best bit, if your vehicle use changes, you can update your kilometres and logbook at any time throughout the year. You can also move between the methods to check out which method gives you the biggest tax deduction each year.